let's talk about finding the area of this parallelogram. So the first thing we're going to want to remember is how to find the area of parallelograms, and we know we just simply multiply the base and the height together to find the area. Here we can see that this problem is a little bit more complicated because we have a fraction and a mixed number. And we know when we multiply fractions, we want to make sure we have both fractions, right? So we're going to want to convert our height 1 3/5 to an improper fraction. Remember how we do that? We're going to take our denominator, we're going to multiply it by our whole number, and then we're going to add our numerator. So we're going to do 1 times 5, which is 5. Then we're going to add that 3 to get 8. We're going to place that over our original denominator. So that would be equivalent to 8/5. You can also understand that since 1 would be represented as 5 over 5, we would add the extra 3/5 to that to also get 8/5. All right, so now that we have our base times height, we can actually multiply and solve. So let's do that. I have my base of 2/3 and my height of 8/5. And all I'm going to do is simply multiply straight across. Now remember, we can take a look at our diagonals. I have 8 and I have 3. Do those have a common factor? They do not. What about 2 and 5? Do those? They do not. So I can go ahead and multiply straight across. 8 times 2 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm left with 16 over 15. Now, since my top is bigger than the bottom, I am going to convert to an improper fraction. Remember, the fraction sign simply means division, and 15 goes into 16 one time. That's going to leave us with 1 left over. So I'd be left with 1 and 1/15 as my area of that figure. Hope that helps you.